Hey everyone, welcome to Property Finance with Lee and part 7 of our Ultimate First Home Buyers Guide series. In today's video, we're going to talk about the most exciting part of your journey, finding your first home. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next part of this series. Let's start. By now you should have an idea of what you can borrow or have a pre-approval in place. What comes next? Well, you need to find a home to purchase. Like I mentioned earlier, this is the most exciting part of the whole process. However, it is also highly emotional. Your first property purchase is without a doubt the most crucial one, as it sets a groundwork for your property journey. It's tricky because you generally have a smaller budget on your first purchase. Start your property hunt by creating a checklist. Jot down possible suburbs which fit within your budget. List essential features like the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and parking spaces. Also note desirable extras you might want, such as a sunny orientation, an en-suite main bedroom, a spacious kitchen, a big yard, etc. The next step is to jump on either realestate.com.au or Domain, enter your must-haves, preferred suburbs, and your budget for your search. Take note of properties you're interested in viewing at open homes, speak to the agent, get some more info on the property, and ask if they have any other properties currently or coming onto the market which are similar. You can often get the best deals before properties hit the market. Both realestate.com.au and domain.com.au allow you to set up alerts to stay updated on new listings matching your preferences. This is excellent if you have a very specific set of conditions for your property purchase. If you find fewer options within your budget, consider adjusting your search criteria. This might mean revising the number of bedrooms or bathrooms, exploring different neighborhoods, etc. Now, onto the exciting part, open homes and inspections. And guys, let me start by saying when going to open homes, speak to the agents. Tell them what type of property you're after and don't hesitate to ask them anything. They want to make a sale. If you're not going to purchase the property you are viewing at that moment, give the agent your details. Believe me, they will contact you if they have a property which matches your requirements. On the other hand, if you like the property but feel like it might be out of your budget, don't hesitate, put an offer in for the amount you can afford. Real estate agents are legally obligated to present offers to their clients. When going to open homes, also spend some time to check out the neighborhood. Your home is more than somewhere to sleep. You need to think about how it fits in with your day-to-day life and how it will fit into your future. For example, if you commute to work every day, is there good access to public transport? If you're planning on having children whilst living in the home, how far away are the local schools? These things matter. You should think about them. I cannot stress enough how important local knowledge is. Speak to shopkeepers, neighbours, anyone that lives in the neighbourhood. There's no replacement for getting first-hand insights from the locals, business owners, and the community when you're eyeing a property. Talking to locals provides an invaluable insight into a neighbourhood's reputation, safety, and overall quality of life. Talking with business owners can shed light on the area's economic health. Engaging with the local community provides a far greater insight than anything you'll find online. You'll discover changes or concerns and get a feel for the community's overall vibe. I have personally exited a property contract after speaking to a local and finding out about a proposed main road near the property, for example. Consulting council records can provide additional information about the property and its surroundings. They may reveal details such as zoning regulations, future development plans, and potential infrastructure projects. And get a property report. Researching the property's history can provide valuable insights and help you identify opportunities or potential issues. If you found a property and require a property report, feel free to contact us below and we'll email it to you. Just provide the address. Now, if you found your property and you want to pursue purchasing, it's prudent to ensure the contract includes a building and pest clause and a finance clause if you don't have a fully assessed pre-approval. Building and pest inspections assess the property's condition and identify any structural or pest-related issues. The cost of these inspections can vary depending on the size and type of property, but it's a worthwhile service to uncover any potential problems with the property. Although rare, there are times where lenders are happy to finance a property, but insurance companies are not interested in providing them cover. As insurance is a lending requirement, the property ultimately can't attain finance. So that's just something to be mindful of. Just make sure you can get the property insured before going unconditional. And whilst on this topic, just a quick note for the Queenslanders out there. It's a requirement to obtain insurance coverage from 5 p.m. on the following business day after signing a contract of sale. This is different to other states which require it from the day of settlement. And guys, I cannot stress this enough. A conveyancer should be used to oversee this process. A conveyancer will organise all the appropriate documentation required for settlement, communicate with lenders, and provide legal advice where needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to catch the next part of the series. Also, like I mentioned, if you found a property and want a free property report, follow the link in the description, provide us with the address and we will email it to you. Thanks for joining me today. Catch you next time.